So existing models in economics often assume that these complex relationships remain constant over time. And the trouble is that the structure of economies can change, and we've certainly observed that in the last 50 years. If you take, for instance, two staple crops like corn or soybeans, what my modeling tried to show is that once you properly take into account the ability for farmers to adapt, this is far less effective than emissions reduction in mitigating the damage of climate change, and does not go nearly far enough to prevent what could be very serious impacts. So what my work counters is one of the few remaining arguments that is left for climate inaction, that we will be able to rely purely on technological improvements or adaptation by farmers to mitigate what is potentially very severe impacts on the global food security.